Hello students, this is NCERT Maths class 10th, exercise 3.6, question number 2. The question is, formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solution. And the first question is, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So for the first question, let speed of Ritu, let speed of Ritu in still water is x kilometer per hour and speed of stream equals to y kilometer per hour. Hence speed during downstream will be x plus y kilometer per hour, and speed during upstream will be x minus y kilometer per hour. Now, according to question, 2 times of x plus y equals to 20, that is x plus y equals to 10. Here we are using the formula speed equals to distance upon time. So, speed into time equals to distance. Again, according to question, twice of x minus y equals to 4. So, x minus y equals to 2. Question 2. Now add them. So, 2x equals to 12. Hence, x equals to 6 km per hour. Put x in any one equation, we will get y equals to 4 km per hour. Now, second question is, 2 women and 5 men can together finish a work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone and finish the work, and also that taken by one man alone. So, for question number 2, let a woman can finish the work in x days, and a man can finish the work in y days. So, if a woman can finish the work in x days, so in 1 days, 1 by x part of the work will be done. And similarly, for a man, in 1 days, 1 by yth part of the work will be done. So, according to first situation, we can say that 2 by x plus 5 by y equals to 1 by 4. That is equation 1. And according to second situation, 3 by x plus 6 by y equals to 1 by 3. That is equation 2. Now, let u equals to 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v. So, equation 1 and equation 2 reduces to 2u plus 5v equals to 1 by 4. Let equation 3, and second equation reduces to 3u plus 6v equals to 1 by 3. That is equation 4. So now eliminate u. So multiply equation 3 by 3 and subtract equation 2 by multiplying 2. So we get 6u plus 15v equals to 3 by 4 and 6u plus 12v equals to 2 by 3. So minus minus and minus 6 will be cancelled out. So 3v equals to 1 by 12. Hence v equals to 1 by 36. Now put the value of v in any equation 3 or equation 4. So we will get u equals to 1 by 18. Hence y equals to 1 by v equals to 36 and x equals to 18. That is the answer. Now for third question, Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and bus separately. Find the speed of bus and train separately. So now see question number 3. Let a speed of train equals to x kilometer per hour and a speed of bus equals to y kilometer per hour. So according to question, 60 by x plus 240 by y equals to 4. Here also we are using the formula speed equals to distance upon time. Let equation 1. Again, according to second situation, 100 by x plus 200 by y equals to 25 by 6. That is equation 2. Now put 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v. So equations reduces to 60u plus 240v equals to 4. That is equation 3. And second equation reduces to 100u plus 200v equals to 25 by 6. Let equation 4. Now solve equation 3 and 4. So multiply equation 3 by 10 and subtract equation 4 by multiplying 6. So 600u plus 2400v equals to 40 and 600u plus 1200v equals to 25. Minus 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 cancelled out. So 1200v equals to 15. Hence v equals to 1 by 80. Hence put v in any one equation and we will get u as 1 by 60. Hence x equals to 60 km per hour and y equals to 80 km per hour. That is the